All right, up for grabs is a 1985 AA catering truck. This truck was professionally brought up to code by our company, S&J Fabrication, which specializes in building food trucks and refurbishing older food trucks and bringing them up to code. So let's take a look at this truck. So right here you'll see the brand new Honda EU 3000 generator. This generator comes with a 3-year manufacturer warranty. If we look under the hood, you'll see a Chevy 350 engine. This engine was rebuilt and the transmission was as well. Both of those come with a 1-year warranty or 12,000 miles. Come over here, you'll see the brand new propane water heater. Back here is where your compressor and your batteries sit for your lights and your fans. It's your exhaust hood. On the serving side, you have 2 serving doors with brand new plexiglass and brand new screens. You also have your ice bin for your sodas. So let's go on inside and take a look at the kitchen. So when you walk inside, first thing you'll see is the Department of Housing insignia. This is required for any food truck operating in California. Then on your right, you'll see your 3-compartment sink with hand washing sink. Next to that is your sandwich prep refrigerator with 3 doors with the new evaporator coil, which is NSF approved. You'll have your steam table with cover, 36-inch griddle top, and your deep fryer. You will also see the fire suppression system, which is tagged and ready to go. All lights work in this vehicle. The sale price on this is $36,500. We guarantee it will pass any county in California. If you have any more questions, please feel free to give us a call, 619-385-1054. We are located in San Diego, California, 91910. Thanks a lot.